we here?
I mean, we're gonna pick cherries and eat them.
Okay.
Can you please do something about this? Yeah.
Oh no. We need more lightning.
But you are not
No. What are you doing? Looking at it.
take her from India.
Go in the shade, please, over there. Go in the shade on that side. Okay?
超过多少斤啊？
It's very
超过
hot.
3斤是吧？
2块5一斤。
None of yours. Okay. Good afternoon.
怎么没有啊？
There's nothing here. I know that. So then you got to listen to me. Ladies and gentlemen, when you go out, try and leave the stalks on the cherries. You go like this and you lift it up to the sky. If it comes off, taste it. If it's no good, go to the next tree.
它可以让你尝的。
Try and leave the stalks on. If not, this is what your basket will look like when you get home.
可以吃。
Who wants to go home with a basket like this?
OK，可以让你尝的。
Who wants to go home with one like this? I'm not done, people. I am not done.
Not done.
That's all right. Let him go. I don't care. You will go through under these branches. This is number 1 beer where I'm standing. That's row number 2. Then comes number 3. What comes after 3?
4.
Oh, number 5. You said 4, then number 5. And after 5? Number 7, number 8. From number 9,
Number 11.
you start to look. Number 10, 11, 12, 13, you will get excellent cherries. Get home, put them in the fridge. You want some? Take them out, rinse them, eat them. If you wash them when you get home, the juice will go inside if they don't have the stem on. So you want to save them. If the water goes in, they will only last till tomorrow night. If you have the stem on, they will last you till Friday. So go and have a good day. Go down and keep walking.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for those who said
Okay, row 1.
बुझिसकेन कुरा कस्तो रहेछ?
कुरा बुझेँ अब
टाढै जानुपर्ने
म यहाँ झाडीभित्र छिर्दैछु आउँदैछु
This is 4.
9 मा जानुपर्छ 9 10 मा 9 मा जाऊ
उता जाऊँ न
괜찮아, daddy. 괜찮아, मेरो. But it's so small.
That's not a blood.
I know. Thank you.